All right, welcome back once again. So here we have this z figure. So with these values, okay. So solution to this is here we have 2, here we have 4. So we are going to start with the top one. So we are going to square the first one. Here is 2 squared. 2 squared means 2 times 2, and 2 times 2 is 4. Here, let's square this. Here is 4 times 4, and 4 times 4 is 16. Okay, therefore, if we add these two, all right, 4 plus 16, we are going to end up with 20. And that is why we have 20 here. So this squared plus this squared will give us this. What about this? Okay, but 2 times 4 is equals to 8. All right. So square this, add it to the square of this. That will give us this. If you multiply this by this, we get this. So here we have question mark here in the box. So we are left with a question mark in the box to find what it is. So solution to this is, okay, squaring this, 8 squared means 8 times 8, and that is 64. Here is a box. Let's represent it with a variable. If we square this, we are going to end up with x squared because we don't know the exact value of x, okay? And having gone through this, we need to add up these two values. So therefore, 64 plus x squared is supposed to give us this down one, which is 320. Okay, what do we do now? We collect like terms. So s squared is equals to 320. If we subtract this 4 from both sides, we are going to have 320 minus 64. Okay, s squared is supposed to be, uh, this is 0. If I take 1 here, it becomes 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. And here is a 1. So if I take 1, put it here, becomes 11. 11 minus 6, that will give us 5. All right, here is remaining 2, bring it down. Okay, so what do we do to find x? Because we are looking for x. So since we have x squared is equals to 256, so we are going to square root both sides. So we're going to have square root of x squared equals to square root of 256. And then square root, we cancel square, s will be, we are going to have 16 here. All right, so here is supposed to be 16. Okay, let's confirm. Let's confirm whether it is actually supposed to be 16. Okay, let's multiply this. Okay, 16 by 8. So this should be 16 times 8, and this is 8 times 6 is 48. We write 8 carry 4. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So it's giving us what is here. So here is supposed to be 16, and that is what we have got. Now, here is the fun exercise we have here to find. Remember, we need to square here and square what is supposed to be here before you can get this. And then when we multiply it by this, we get what is supposed to be here. All right, so here again, we need to find this, and these are options. Thank you for being there. And then don't forget, if you have a question on this, drop your questions. And bye for now. Till we meet again.